Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video presentation will provide a quick story about the major updates in the field of science of India and world. Today's news agenda includes the following topics. JWST explores universe's mysteries in cycle 3. First stars of the universe, a new discovery. New moons discovered in our solar system, coral bleaching crisis, world on brink of fourth mass event. Scientific solutions to combat global warming. NASA's Viper rover takes significant step forward in lunar mission preparation. NASA astronauts, Russian cosmonaut dock at ISS on SpaceX Dragon. China's lunar Skynet, a new frontier in surveillance and security. Origins of life.
Calling all space enthusiasts. Get ready for an exciting journey into the unknown as the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, embarks on its next adventure. In its latest cycle, the Space Telescope Science Institute, STSCL, has selected 253 general observer programs to explore a wide range of celestial phenomena over the next 2 years. From exoplanets and galaxies to the earliest galaxies in the universe, JWST will delve into the mysteries of the cosmos like never before. The selected proposals, submitted by over 2,000 unique investigators from 41 countries, will use JWST's advanced technology to study the universe in unprecedented detail. One of the highlights of the next 2 years will be the observation of a temperate water world on exoplanets, which could potentially be the first undisputed detection of an exomoon. Additionally, JWST will study Jupiter's Great Red Spot in detail, unraveling the storm's structure, dynamics, and chemistry. In 2024, JWST will observe the TRAPPIST-1 system, a group of 7 Earth-sized rocky worlds orbiting an ultra-cool dwarf star. The telescope will study the atmospheres of these planets, searching for signs of water and potential life. So, fasten your seatbelts and get ready for an epic journey into the unknown with the James Webb Space Telescope.
First stars of the universe, a new discovery.
Have you ever wondered about the first stars that shone in the universe after the Big Bang? Scientists have long theorized that these stars, called population 3 stars, were made of pure material from the Big Bang, but no one has ever seen one. Now, using the powerful James Webb Space Telescope, a team of researchers may have found evidence of these elusive stars in a distant galaxy called GNZ11. The team discovered a pocket of pristine gas in the galaxy's halo, which could collapse and form population 3 stars. These stars would be the first to shine in the universe, and their discovery could be one of the most important in modern astrophysics. But how did scientists find these stars if they are so distant and faint? The answer lies in the fact that infrared waves can penetrate through the dust and gas that obscures our view of the distant universe. The James Webb Telescope is specially designed to detect infrared waves, allowing scientists to study the early stages of the cosmos in unprecedented detail. So, the next time you look up at the stars, remember that you are looking at the descendants of the first stars that shone in the universe, and that these stars may hold the secrets of the Big Bang itself.
New moons discovered in our solar system.
Get ready to explore the farthest reaches of our solar system, with the latest discovery of 3 new moons orbiting Uranus and Neptune. A team of astronomers from around the globe used powerful telescopes to detect these tiny celestial bodies, with 2 moons orbiting Neptune and 1 around Uranus. The discovery reveals a window into the solar system's early years, offering insights into how our cosmic neighbors formed and evolved over time. The search was no easy feat, as astronomers had to employ special techniques to distinguish the moons from the background noise of space. But the hard work paid off, and now we have 3 new moons to add to our solar system's family album. So, what's next? Well, the quest to explore our solar system's outer edges continues, with the possibility of discovering even more moons in the future. Stay tuned, space fans, and keep looking up.
Coral bleaching crisis, world on brink of fourth mass event.
We have some devastating news to share with you. The world is on the brink of a 4th mass coral bleaching event, and it could be the worst one yet. Coral bleaching occurs when corals expel the colorful algae living in their tissues, causing them to turn pale and vulnerable to disease. This event is triggered by heat stress, and with the current El Nino climate pattern and rising ocean temperatures, the southern hemisphere is literally sitting on the cusp of the worst bleaching event in history. The last global mass coral bleaching event ran from 2014 to 2017, and the Great Barrier Reef lost nearly a third of its corals. This year, the Caribbean registered its worst coral bleaching on record, and the southern hemisphere is currently experiencing widespread bleaching. The Great Barrier Reef is already experiencing extensive coral bleaching, and scientists are conducting flyovers to determine the extent of the damage. This is a critical time for our oceans, and we need your help to raise awareness about the importance of protecting our coral reefs. The world has already lost a third of its corals, and we can't afford to lose any more.
Scientific solutions to combat global warming.
As the world battles the devastating effects of global warming and climate change, scientists have been exploring innovative solutions to keep our planet cool. One such idea was to use supereruptions as a way to block sunlight particles and cool the surface temperature of the planet. However, new research has revealed that this approach may not be as effective as previously thought. The study, published in the Journal of Climate, found that the extreme eruption of a volcano, like the Toba volcano in Indonesia, which occurred 74,000 years ago, would not result in the expected cooling of global temperatures. In fact, the researchers found that the cooling effect would be limited to only 1.5 degrees Celsius. The researchers used advanced computer modeling to simulate supereruptions and found that the post-eruption cooling would be much less than previously estimated. They also discovered that the size of the sulfur particles injected into the stratosphere plays a crucial role in determining the cooling effect. The study highlights the need for further research into the intricacies of volcanic aerosol particles and their impact on global temperatures. The findings suggest that caution should be exercised when considering geoengineering through stratospheric aerosol injection as a solution for global warming. So, while the idea of using supereruptions to cool the planet may have seemed promising, the latest research suggests that it may not be as effective as we thought. Instead, we need to focus on finding more sustainable and long-lasting solutions to combat the devastating effects of climate change.
NASA's Viper rover takes significant step forward in lunar mission preparation.
Calling all space enthusiasts. Get ready for the next big adventure in space exploration. NASA's Viper mission. Meet Viper, the volatiles investigating polar exploration rover, designed to explore the lunar South Pole and search for water ice and other resources. Viper is more than 80% built and all flight instruments are installed. The dedicated team is working hard to ensure a successful mission, and we can't wait to see the results. But it's not going to be easy. Viper will face extreme conditions on the moon, including intense cold and challenging terrain. The team is testing and assembling the rover with test-as-we-go approach to mitigate risks and resolve any issues. This mission is a significant step forward for NASA's Artemis program, aiming to establish a long-term human presence on the moon. Viper will create detailed maps of the lunar South Pole region, paving the way for future missions and resource extraction. So, are you ready to join the Viper team on this exciting adventure?
NASA astronauts, Russian cosmonaut dock at ISS on SpaceX Dragon.
The universe is full of mysteries, and a team of astronauts is on a mission to unravel some of them. Meet the Crew 8 team, comprising 3 NASA astronauts and 1 Russian cosmonaut, who set off on a 6-month journey to the International Space Station, ISS, on March 3rd. Their SpaceX Dragon spacecraft, named Endeavour, took off from Florida's Cape Canaveral on a Falcon 9 rocket and soared into the night sky. As they journeyed through the vast expanse of space, they passed over the beautiful blue planet we call home. Finally, on March 5th, the crew docked at the ISS, marking the beginning of their scientific endeavors. Their mission includes over 200 experiments to investigate everything from degenerative diseases to plant growth in microgravity. One experiment involves transporting stem cells to space to study their impact on degenerative diseases, while another focuses on studying the cellular effects of microgravity and ultraviolet radiation on plants. The team will also explore whether microalgae can assist in removing carbon dioxide from the air, providing a source of food and oxygen. Their arrival at the ISS heralded the initiation of a diverse array of scientific endeavors, expanding human knowledge and paving the way for future exploration. So, buckle up and join us on this exciting journey into the unknown.
China's lunar Skynet, a new frontier in surveillance and security.
China is taking its surveillance technology to new heights. Literally, the country is planning to establish a comprehensive surveillance system on the moon as part of its lunar exploration efforts. This system will be powered by the same technology that has made China's Skynet project, the world's largest video surveillance network, so successful. The lunar surveillance system will be designed to keep an eye on China's forthcoming lunar base, ensuring the security of the facility and the scientists and engineers who will be working there. The system will use high-performance security cameras equipped with AI-driven chips that can identify and track suspicious activity on the moon's surface. But the challenges of building such a system on the moon are significant. The cameras will need to be able to withstand extreme temperatures and intense radiation, and they will need to be able to transmit data back to Earth in real time, despite the limited bandwidth available. Despite these challenges, China is pushing forward with its plans, and the lunar surveillance system is expected to be fully operational within the next decade. If successful, this system could give China a significant advantage in the ongoing space race with the United States. So, get ready for a new era of lunar exploration and surveillance.
Origins of life.
Are you ready to embark on a journey through the origins of life on Earth? Join us as we delve into the fascinating story of how the very first cell emerged, sparking a narrative that has captivated scientists for centuries. In a groundbreaking study, researchers at Scripps Research have made a thrilling discovery that could change our understanding of how life began on our planet. They found that a chemical process called phosphorylation, which adds phosphate groups to molecules, might have played a crucial role in the formation of the first cells. Imagine a world without life, and then imagine a single cell emerging, sparking a journey that has led to the incredible diversity of species we see today. This is the story of evolution, and it all began with the formation of the first protocells. These early cells were simple, but they had the potential to become more complex and capable of doing different things. And that's exactly what researchers at Scripps Research have found, that phosphorylation could have helped protocells evolve into more complex structures. To understand how this happened, the scientists recreated conditions from long ago and found the right mix of chemicals that could have led to protocell formation. They tested different conditions, like pH levels, chemical ratios, and temperature changes, and saw how the protocells changed from one type to another. This process, they found, was all about phosphorylation, the addition of phosphate groups to molecules. This simple yet powerful process could have been the key to creating stable, complex structures that eventually led to the diversity of life we see today. So, the next time you look at a living thing, remember the incredible journey that led to its existence. From the simple protocells to the complex organisms we see today, life on Earth has come a long way, and it all began with a single cell and the power of phosphorylation.
Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful updates. We value your comments and feedback, so please share your thoughts with us below. See you in the next video.